Good evening to one and all. Actually, I was caught between my niche, what to teach in art. And finally, I stumbled upon kindergarten art lessons. And through that, I could cross over 4,000 views in just 28 days. I was staggering little by, although my subscription is subscriber low, but I was able to find my hardcore niche where I was struggling to find it. Because I know a lot in art, but then what is it that, and I changed my camera angle. I couldn't understand the vertical angle point, and I just changed the angle of how I was recording it. I started drawing horizontal, but keeping my camera vertical, and that gave me a very good viewership level. So I was surprised. I was doing the same thing before, but then I was not getting that viewership. Now I could see it all like multiplying and going on, and I also tried out new things, and that's what I'll say. Sometimes it's not that we don't know, we know it, but some slight angle change can give us such a good, and it gave me a very good fillip to know that yes, we can do it. That it is not something that technically I cannot do, because when it came to the camera point of view, I was very hesitant. I still am, but I overcame that shyness, and that's all due to, and all that background tech guidance that you give is of great help. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Very happy to hear that, Salma. Again, thank you for bringing that actually, because like most of the time, what we do is we always end up thinking in the same line, because of which we don't get great results, right? Our mind is always working, okay, this is not working. Let me create a similar kind of video, similar kind of video. At times, you really got to take a small pause, go to CCD, third way coffee, or you go out somewhere, spend one day with yourself, think, what is that small little change that you can bring in your content? Right? You start doing this every month once, investing maybe about 2-3 hours in thinking about the creative side that you can bring. Certainly, it can give a lot more creative ideas for you to scale up faster. Thank you for sharing that. Again, all the very best. I'm looking for your channel also to get monetized faster. Thank you.